What is up, y'all boys? I'll be going over a trade that I took literally less than an hour ago at the gym. So to start off, we opened at 6 here, and first thing I was looking at was this drawn liquidity right here, which is a 1 hour drawn liquidity. And so I wasn't concerned about anything other than this right here to see if we could get some sort of reaction. So we scaled down to the 5 minute. Basically it was a simple entry, the same strategy as always. So we end up seeing some sort of selling pressure past this drawn liquidity. We see our 5 minute retracement right here, followed by a 1 minute break of structure. So I can show you guys this right here was our equilibrium. This serves as a retracement. So when we scale down to the 1 minute, we can see, so right here we see this hold down move followed by a retracement, followed by a break of structure off of this. I did jump the gun a little early, ended up getting a worse entry than I would have liked. I entered right here. However, it's fine, whatever. Uh, but I entered right here. Stops at first were above here, but when I see we started pushing down, I actually moved my stop right above here. And then originally my first take profit was actually going to be in the middle of this 1 hour BPR that we have right here. I think it's a 1 hour BPR. Maybe I'm wrong. Uh, Sorry, I think it's actually 15-minute BPR. So originally yeah, right here. So originally I had it at the equilibrium, a little above the equilibrium of this BPR. However, I saw that we had a fair value gap, and the equilibrium of this fair value gap was actually a little bit higher. So I said, all right, bro, we might barely tap into this BPR and continue higher. We might not even reach the equilibrium of this BPR. So I decided to take it off of the equilibrium of this fair value gap right here instead of the BPR. So what ended up happening was we did tap into this BPR. We did not reach the equilibrium, but we did reach the equilibrium of this, and that's where I did end up taking profits. And this was actually a very, very good take profit in my opinion. uh Enter three contracts, closed all three right here. So yeah, we didn't even reach the equilibrium of the BPR. We ended up taking it off the equilibrium of this 1 hour, I think 15-minute, 1 hour fair, I think 15-minute fair value gap. And so we come down a little lower, don't even reach the equilibrium of this BPR. And look at where we are, boys. We ended up pushing higher after that. So very successful trade. I've got the right here. Ended up making around 155, not real money. It was paper off of a funded. And so, yeah, boys, that's just a quick trading recap. Simple trade off of liquidity, uh, selling pressure to the downside, followed by a 5 minute retracement, followed by a 1 minute break of structure to the downside. Ended up taking profit at the equilibrium of a fair value gap. So that's it, boys. I'll catch you guys in the next one.